Everyone knows Magento is the most powerful e-commerce platform on the planet. But there is a huge myth out there that launching a new store or updating your brand design on Magento takes months and costs a fortune. Today I'm going to bust that myth wide open. I will show you how we at Skynix leverage advanced AI tool to take a premium dark theme design concept and turn it into a live, fully functional store in just minutes. Imagine you have a new brand concept, like this high-end dark tech or aesthetic we just drafted in Figma. Instead of passing it to a developer to write hundreds of lines of code from scratch, we use our AI assistant, Cursor. We simply feed it out brand guidelines, deep graphite backgrounds, electric blue links, and neon lime call to actions. Watch this. The AI automatically maps out a clean Magento child theme, updates all the buttons, headers, and lookbooks instantly. One click and the platform completely transforms. Now that the brand look is ready, we need inventory. Business owners are often intimidated by Magento's backend architecture. But look how straightforward it is to launch a product. We add a title, set a price, and drop an image, description. Because our AI already styled the underlying architecture, this brand new product automatically adopts our unique theme. The Add to Cart button glows in our exact brand colors, perfectly optimized for customer conversions right out of the box. But what if your new venture doesn't even have a logo yet? Do you pause the project and wait weeks for a graphic designer? No. We head over to Recraft AI, an AI tool built for professional designers. We describe our tech vision, look in our brand colors, and generate a premium geometric icon. Best part, it's exported as a crisp SVG vector file. We upload it straight to our Magento header, and just like that we have a fully branded live e-commerce ecosystem created in under an hour. At the end of the day, AI isn't replacing engineers or designers. It's giving us a superpower to launch, test, and scale enterprise-grade e-commerce sites for our clients in a fraction of the time. If you want to build a high-performing Magento store without the endless development delays, the Skynix team is ready to make it happen. You can hire us directly on Upwork using the link right down in the description box, or head over to our official Skynix website and fill out a quick contact form. Tell us about your project and let's turn your e-commerce vision into a live business asset. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech insights, and we will see you in the next one. Bye bye.